Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial we'll be using the expression crochet braids in the style curly, and I got 2 packs of this hair. So for this tutorial we'll be needing some braiding hair, a pair of scissors, hair clips, scrunchie, combs of course, crochet pins, and some oil to grease our scalp. Told you how to run the race. Starting off, I'm going to be parting my hair into 2 from ear to ear, and honestly this line doesn't have to be very perfect because at the end of the style it almost really isn't showing that much. So for the back parts I put it in a ponytail for now. For the front portion of my hair I went ahead to put them in 2 big braids just so they stay out of the way while I work on the back portion of my hair. So this is going to be the braiding pattern of this style. I did the first braids all the way round, and then for the rest of the braids I did them all back while attaching the ends, and then for this last braid I just went ahead to crochet it into the rest of the braids with the help of my crochet pin. I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. Going in with my argan oil, I'm just applying that to my scalp just so they stay oiled and well moisturized. Here I'm showing you guys the coil pattern of this hair, and I'll be picking up the first bundle. Picking up the first pieces of this first bundle, I'll go ahead to carefully unravel it. So this is a synthetic hair. You want to be very careful with it so that it doesn't get all tangled up. Picking up that much, I'll go ahead to start crocheting it into the braids. For this section of the braid, you want to go ahead to do the invisible crochet method, just so that at the end your braids isn't showing through from the hair extension. To achieve that, you're going to pass your crochet needle underneath your braids with the latch open, put in the braids, close the latch and pass it through. Open up the loop and pick up just 1 piece of your crochet hair. Pass it through the loops like 2 or 3 times and pull on the other sides of the hair. I'm going to do it a couple of times so you guys get what I did. This method ensures that when you have your hair up in a bun, the braids isn't showing through from the extension. You guys can see that some of my braids are showing, but I went back in to crochet some more hair and it was all nice and concealed. So this is how far the first bundle of the first pack went. I'm just going to go ahead to finish crocheting in the hair, and I'll be using the second bundle from this pack. So I'm going to show you guys an easier way of dealing with this hair just so that it doesn't get all tangled up and rough. Grab a white tooth comb and just comb through the ends of this hair starting from the bottom. Comb it all the way to like halfway through the hair, and you'll observe that pulling the hair through at this point just becomes a lot more easier, like so. So I thought to explain the invisible crochet method one more time. Pick up the hair you want to crochet in, put the ends together and ensure that they are of equal length. Push the crochet needle underneath your braids with the latch open, put in the crochet hair, close the latch, pull it through, and through the loop pick up just 1 part of the hair. Pass that portion through the loop 3 times or 2 times. Do not pull on this end, instead pull on the other end. Yes, this one, pull on it, and with that you can observe that the ends are together and of equal length, and I'll just continue with that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time on here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Lagos Nigerian based hairstylist, makeup artist and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So this is the whole essence of the invincible method. As you guys can see, not one part of that braid is showing through from the extensions. That's what we're trying to achieve. So this is one pack of hair and it's so full. Using what's left of the first pack and very little from the second pack, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the middle braids. For this portion, I did the normal crochet method. Push in the needle, put the extension, close the latch, pull it through, and then pass all of the extension through that loop 2-3 times and then pull it all through. I went ahead to do that until I had covered all the back. For this part, you really should not be concerned with trying to cover all of the braids, because then you will have a lot of hair on your head. Okay, just do like normal spacing. You don't have to worry about covering it, because by the time you flip it over, the front part, the invisible part of the hair would have covered up all of the braids in the middle. Okay, but because I wanted mine to be a bit more fuller, I went in to crochet some more hair in. I just went in with just this much, and that was it. So it's the next day and the girl got tired, so I decided to go finish up these braids in a salon. And here I'm just showing you guys the pattern. If there's any word like that, I'm just showing you guys how they parted this hair out before they started braiding. I don't know, I hope you guys can see a bit. Okay, it was a lot of struggle. Like I struggled a lot trying to film this hair. Like at some point I was like, should I even go ahead or just stop, just end it, because it was really frustrating. It was not just one person that made my hair, they were a lot. I think like 4 or 3 or 5 persons made this hair, and one person was braiding, the other person was holding it down. As you guys can see, there was no way I could show what they were doing. Like I tried different attempts just to show you guys how they got this braids done, but it was difficult, you guys. It was actually difficult. It's basically just an all back style. Okay, so they just added some twist and some slants just so it's not the traditional all back. So if you're getting this done in a salon, you can just screen grab the end result of my hair and then show it to your stylist. I'm sure they should be able to pull this through. And if you're doing it by yourself, you can go ahead and screen grab the end of this video, zoom in so that you can see how the style is and be able to pull it off on your own. It however is an all back style with just a twist, you know, some slants, some styles here and there, so that it's not the traditional or the boring all back style. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm staying. 1 week after, I went back to take out the other braids because it was bigger than I had wanted it. So I took it out and redid another braid. This one is much more smaller and I preferred this size. So this is a clip of how she added the beads. I used this very long ones, not the short ones, and I used 4 beads per braid. When she was done adding it, she just tied a knot at the end to secure it, and then she further used a candle to just burn it down, just so it stayed secure and doesn't unravel. So this is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I really like this hair. I think it came out really nice. This is the first time I'm trying out this hair, and of course I'm gonna do it again and again and again because I think it suits me. You guys, I got a lot of compliments on this hair. I cannot even lie, a lot of compliments, and yeah, it came out really nice. I really like it. This is like a week and 2 days after I did the crochet parts. Okay, and you guys can see how well this coil is still doing, irrespective of the fact that it's a synthetic hair. Like, the coils are still intact. I did go in with refreshing the coils. I used water, I used some leave-in conditioner, I used some oil. If you've been interested in seeing how I did that, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll vlog a process for you guys. I had this hair in for like a month, and the coils performed really well for a synthetic hair. Okay, so what do you guys think about this hair? Do you like this hair? Will you be trying it out? I think you should. If you like this video, please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. And until I see you guys in my next video tomorrow, stay fab and stay blessed. My last dance, my last